hello. Okay, so I need to try to figure out why this isn't working yet. Okay, so I'm trying to follow basically this tutorial, and like I've spent maybe 10 minutes on this so far. 10 minutes. Anyway, I'm also kind of curious about this guy. Okay, hang on. No, I kind of like him. Okay, cool. So I'm trying to run a Twitch bot. I know almost nothing about it, except for, you know, the baby basics of it. So I'm just trying to run this sort of hello world version of it. Copied a bunch of code, replaced, you know, followed these steps here. And then I'm just getting a little bit of an error from it. And the error is... right, okay, I just figured out what the error was, and it's showing a token, so that's why I'm pulling it off screen. So let me fix that. Let me just... hang on, sit tight. I will correct the issue. Okay, hopefully. There we go. Hello, hello! How you doing, Mr. Crunchy? How do you pet the cat? That is a great question. I actually just got this thing, and I haven't even had 5 seconds to like think about how it works. It's supposed to greet you. Like, I don't know if you have to say hi to it or something. What I did earlier to test it was like, hey, kitty. And it doesn't seem to want to do that anymore, so that's cool. Let's try adding a doodad for it. Let's add a command. It's gonna do a little animation. That one seems good. Let's do like 10 seconds with a cooldown of 30 seconds. Save. Hey Dylan, how you doing? Let's try it. I just added this command. I don't know if it's gonna work. It doesn't seem like it wants to do anything. It just sits there. There weren't a lot of testing tools with this thing. Nothing, huh? Cool. Duration, trigger. I know, he's just gonna sit there and do nothing. Let's see. You guys are already following and stuff, so I don't even know. I don't know why it's not doing anything, to be totally honest. Show commands on and off. Speed. Maybe I have to like, let's try it clicking this button. It's supposed to face right. It's not doing anything. Options have been saved, but nothing is happening. Cool. Anyways, how are you guys? Maybe we'll just, maybe the kitty just sits there. Anyways, I'm trying to run a bot. Trying to write a bot and run a bot. And so far, I've spent very little time on this. just barely getting started. I was like, what do I want to do today? And I'd been thinking about getting started on this for a while. So I was like, hey, why don't we just mess with this? So maybe not that version. Hang on. Aha, see, there you go. There you go. He said hello this time. What kind of bot? I mean, so I'm gonna probably start out with the sort of standard Twitch bot stuff, but eventually it's gonna become more of a gamification thing. By the way, hi Cecil, how you doing? Kitty said hello to Cecil, but it didn't say hello to anyone else. That's hilarious. Anyway, but it's gonna be more of a gamification thing eventually. I have some ideas. I don't want to like totally spoil it, but the idea will be like channel interaction, kind of in general. To keep things interesting and kind of entertaining, I guess. Which is where sort of how I got to the idea of having a kitty cat or some sort of visual element to it. So I'm gonna see if I can incorporate that somehow. But yeah, I don't want to spoil it, so I'm not gonna give away all the details. I just realized I kind of messed something up a little bit. I have two different folders where I have some files. Give me a sec here. Yeah. One sec. Where am I? Here. One thing that I'm trying to figure out is how to work with Node and stuff. Dylan, I feel like you might know a bit about that, so if you have any tips, let me know. Because I am very new to it. Where did I put it? I guess. Like the first thing is how I can get, let's see, this guy right here to work globally, because all I really know is that right now, like if I try to run this the way that it is actually, and I think it's e/scott/projects/ I call it BarkBot/bot.js. I try to run that. I can't find the module tmi.js, which is in my modules folder. That's like the first thing that I need to figure out. The only problem is my node modules are in a different like folder structure entirely. So I'm sure that there's like some switch that I didn't throw when I installed tmi.js or something. But anyways, I'm just like, I moved it, so I'm hoping that it'll sort of fix it, because if I go and run it from the other location, if I just say node and this, at least I get different errors. The barking order is not defined. Okay, so part of this is just me being kind of a dummy and not remembering. Yeah, I'm using npm. Yeah, I'm using npm. Part of this is like, it's JavaScript and I haven't used it in a little while, so I'm forgetting some of the rules. Like I'm missing double quotes, I'm sure, on something. Let's try this, and then that, and then that. And I'm keeping that stuff off screen just because it's got like my OAuth token. And you know, stream sniping is a thing. Okay, so now we've got options, which is undefined. New teammate client. Okay, so maybe that's the thing that I just need to have this open on a separate window or something. Okay, hang tight. I keep having to like reopen this little secret file. Okay, gotcha. JS is stinky. I mean, I don't actually hate JS. I mean, it's not very type safe, but generally speaking, it's not a bad language. I feel like I know it. Okay, I'm gonna try Pet Kitty one more time. Nothing. Nothing. All right, fair enough. What equals that? If you want to install a script globally, it's npm. Okay, I mean, I thought I did that. Maybe I probably didn't do that the first time I did it. Also, if I use this like private equals required, do I then like, would I use private dot ops to access an ops constant within that file? I think maybe that's what I need to do. Let me make sure this is the right version. Yeah. Okay, cool. That was what I was missing. Just little tidbits like that. So now we've got this guy, and we're supposed to be able to roll dice with this command. So it's connected to the IRC. I don't know if one of you guys can try running the command !dice. It's supposed to run something. Not doing anything, huh? Okay. Cool. So now troubleshooting is fun. Why does it seem like nothing wants to work on my PC right now? Okay, so let's refer to the tutorial. It says now it's running and connected to the IRC network. That's where we are. You should see a number, but you're not seeing a number. Unless you guys are seeing it, I'm not or something, but I'm not seeing any number. So let's just review the code, make sure that it's not sort of busted in some way. Okay, so client on message received, we are calling this function. It receives a target, a context, a message. And I'm guessing this is some sort of bool, or maybe it's a reference, a nullable reference or something. Whoops. Yeah, I know. See, this is the problem that I'm having right now, is not really having a lot of free time. So I should probably, I definitely should do that. I'm just here in Notepad++ because I was like, hey, on a whim, I decided I wanted to do this today. Okay, yeah, I'll check it out for sure. Okay, command name. So I guess I'm the self, so maybe it isn't going to listen to me because I just had it. I told it to like use my username. And I'm assuming it didn't have any errors or anything because it's not giving me back any feedback here, so that's good. Anyways, message.trim. If command name was !dice, then we're going to call this function, which is a pretty standard roll dice function. Client.say to the target, you rolled a blank. Executed blank. I'm getting none of that. It's a handler. Client.connect. Okay, so maybe there's like a step that I'm missing. Let's go back over here. I got me an OAuth token. Token to authenticate. Generate this with Twitch app TMI while logged into your chatbot account. I mean, I didn't actually create a separate account. It says up here the username that the chatbot uses to send chat messages. This can be your Twitch account. And I did, that's what I've done. I wonder if it has to be like all lowercase maybe? How's everyone's day today? How you doing? Okay, let's run it again. Try this again. Dice. Oh, right. I don't think it's gonna recognize me. Channel name. Yeah, it's my channel. Hang on. Nice. Nice. Gonna try running this one more time. I love your emotes, they're great. I know how you feel. You're like, I don't want to do... I don't know, I get it sometimes. Like, I don't want to do the thing I'm supposed to be doing, so let's just do some other random thing. Totally. Okay, so the Twitch channel name where you want to run the bot, usually your main Twitch account. Okay, I mean, this is all fine. I'm just going to check out the version of this on Glitch, I guess. Because maybe there's some little, like, stupid detail that I'm completely missing. Let's look at the source, shall we? Self is the bot. Well, like, right now, I am the bot. Because I guess I'll just sort of... What's a quick way to hide something, I guess? Here, I'll just cut this part out. Whoops. Like, I'm telling it to log in as me, and then I'm telling it to play in my channel. So, like, it's supposed to impersonate me, basically. So, that's why I'm assuming I can't really test it, unless I make a second account, which I didn't feel like doing today. Okay, so, still nothing. Anyways, checking out this doodad. Okay, so yeah, blah blah blah, building the bot, civil chat bot, yada yada yada. Okay, so you're telling me the same stuff as before. Okay, so they're using... Only project members can see that. Okay, so I guess I gotta do this remix thing. Got it. Cool. Booting project. Comments are visible in remixes, yada yada yada, restoring secrets, yes, yes, yes. Okay, so I guess I'll sort of recreate this right here. So I'm gonna use that, and then same for channel, and then I will just sort of hide this because again I'm not supposed to show this part, and then do I have to save it? I guess I don't have to save it. Instantly saves it. Okay, cool. Boom. Alright. Besides the fact that it's got curly braces in places that make me sad, I don't care. So, put the credentials and click run. Do I have to sign in to do run? That's probably a thing I have to do, right? Joe. I know. Let's do this. Starting, I guess. Noisy Eastern leader, I like it. Chatbot, MIT. Rename, duplicate, format. It says it's starting, but it seems to not really be doing anything. Anyone know how to use glitch? Never use this. What is this button? No. What's this button? No. Any of this stuff? No. Tools. App status. It's acting like it's trying to do something. Alright, let's just try it over here, I guess. Still nothing from me. Nope. Nothing, right? Okay. Alright, I guess I might have to like sign in and make an account and stuff. Because there doesn't seem to be a run button. Does it say anything about making an account? Put the credentials in the environment and click run. Run it from yourself again? Yeah. I guess I am still running it from myself. But just restarted. Right? Like it seems like I've got all the right pieces. I wonder, I mean, I could be Windows Firewall or something, I guess, right? 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 Like everything seems fine. I don't know what I'm missing. I guess I can mess with my firewall. Right. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Totally. Chat. Okay, so I guess maybe I should do this other thing that I probably should do anyway, which is make another bot or another Twitch account or whatever. Which seems like messy. I hate doing that kind of stuff, but I'll do it. I have to, I guess. Or you know what, before I do that, let's... Whoops, sorry. That's what I get for opening Twitch in an incognito browser with no extensions. Console log in on... Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I could probably make this way better. Good call. Let's try that. Wait, what? Console log. Okay, so target is... Let's target. Context. Oh, right. Yeah, that's right. That's the JS way, isn't it? Add spaces and stuff too, doesn't it? Context is text messages message self is... I don't know what this music is, by the way. I just sort of randomly slapped something in there. Yeah, people are learning stuff. Alright, so hit and save. Let's kill this. Let's run it. Test. Nope, no feedback whatsoever, right? Okay, something weird's happening. I wonder. Let me check my auth token. Maybe it's like expired or I've done something weird with it. Let's see. I think the link to grabbing it is here. Connect. Is that the same one as before? It is not the same one as before. Okay, so let's grab it. Whoops. Putting it in quotes, I'm assuming it's a string, right? Seems right. Okay. Kill it. Try it again. I thought the opposite. I thought, you know, I tried both ways, but let's try it again. I don't think that for authentication, I don't think it matters, but I will do it just in case. Yes, good. Kill it, run it again. No feedback whatsoever. Alright. Alright, I guess I'm gonna pull glitch over here and try signing in, creating an account. See if that's a necessary step, maybe. I don't want to have to do that, but I'm doing it anyway. Signing in. Wait. I like how, like, just using your email to sign into something is, like, the weird option now. That used to be the standard option. But now it's like, use your Facebook. Yeah, I guess, right? Yeah. Yes, okay. So just getting, like, creating an account somewhere with just your email and a password is such a weird thing, apparently, now. I also don't know why I cap them on. Like, I can still do this, right? I've got commands that only I can do, like, hide. I can make them go away. And I can make them come back. Whoops, that's supposed to be show. And I'm supposed to be able to change his default animation to... I think he's got idle. But that does nothing. So like he can come and go. He greeted one person, but that's it. It seems like maybe their software is buggy, I don't know. Anyways, okay, here we go. Signing in to glitch. Okay. Okay. Preview your app. Show. In a new window. Maybe, wonder if this is like an old tutorial or something. I mean, maybe it is. dev.twitch.com. Yeah, true. Must pass a user ID or anonymous user key to object default. Content bundles. DevTools failed to load source map. Could not load content for some Chrome extension. Pretty sure I did. I'll double check. Let's be honest, I don't think anyone's gonna steal my OAuth token. So who cares? I'm putting in the new one now anyway. And then yeah, okay, so let's I guess look at the README. Maybe this is up to date or somehow different. Use a different username, yeah. Can't use username. This can be your Twitch account. Alternately, choose to create a second Twitch account. Or this template. Yeah. Alright, I guess I'm signing up for another Twitch account. Good call, I guess. Alright, give me a sec here. Sign up. Yep. I'm gonna go to this trouble. I'm gonna make it good, I guess. I don't know. What's gonna be the password? Note to self, don't say it out loud. Yeah. Trying to think of a good password. Okay, verifying that. Yeah, well, my sort of long-term goal here will be to integrate it with a couple other things. I'll probably attempt a Discord bot. I actually know a little bit more about that. Like, I've played with it a little bit before. But I think the Twitch part of it just felt like it was the first step. Okay, so that. Cool. Man, I really wish I knew why kitty cat is not doing anything. Alright, so we now have a separate account. So I just need to create a token with that guy. We got a new doodad. Copy, copy. I guess I'll try locally first. Oh, that is the right file. That is also the right file. Okay, cool. We're killing it. Running it again. Oh, nice. Hey, Hyper. How you doing, man? Hey, we did get a greeting. You see the kitty cat? The kitty cat stood up and waved, right? It does something. I don't know why some stuff works. I still wish that command worked. Nothing. Alright, how you doing, Hyper? Still nothing. So, Hyper, then maybe you might have experience. I don't know if you were saying you've done Twitch bot development at all here, but we've got a connection to IRC. This is like literally my first half an hour, maybe it's an hour now working on this, but I can't get it to actually do anything. Oh, okay, cool. Cool. Sorry, I feel like I got something in my eye here. Alright, it says it's connected, and then we get no response whatsoever. Yeah, don't worry about it. I just figured if you knew anything off the top of your head, it would be cool. No worries. So, unconnected. I mean, it should at least say, well, okay. Is this what it's saying? It says connected to IRC WS chat twitch.tv 443. So it is doing this part. Permissions. Yeah, right? Like, you'd imagine that there would be a permission issue for a different account, for sure, right? Like, how does that stuff work? Let's go back in here. I guess I'll sort of copy everything that I'm doing here. That all seems fine. Assets. Okay, yeah, there's nothing there. Requires tmi.js, which is all fine. Creating a new TMI client. On message. I guess I could just add a little thing here, like console.log on message handler called. Maybe I don't care about anything else. Control save. Control S is a second nature. But again, like, refresh. It says waking up. It says starting, and then it never seems to go anywhere. What is this button? Nothing. S is loud. It's seriously, right? Like, I will always do it. Doesn't matter if it's your auto saving or not. What? An annoying bunch of poop. Import and export, rewind logs. Okay, checking logs, I guess. Oh, okay. Here's stuff. On message handler called. Alright, so some stuff's happening. Maybe I should try now. Unknown command dice. Okay, so it's listening. That's good. Okay, so in this example, it's actually D20 that they want to see. Alright, so the glitch version works. So there's some network issue that's happening. Kitty says hello to the barking botter. Nice. Okay, so we can get it to work. And this is a slightly different example, so I wonder if I should just... it seems to only work with D20, but let's see if we can... Yeah, okay. Yeah, like their example is a little bit different, so I suppose I should maybe do a diff on these two things and see if there's something weird going on. Here. Okay, so we got client connect, client on message on connected, that's still the same. Target context message self. Context is okay. Command name equals dice, message.trim. Yeah, like I think everything else here. Client.say, console.log. It should at least be logging something in the command window. So I mean, I guess somehow my TMI might be funky, or who knows. Okay, so let's kill this. Let's do. How would I check? Or how would I uninstall using npm? Since I also just learned how to do that today. Realizing that this window is supposed to stay separate. Okay. So, npm install -g tmi.js, right? Updated one package. Okay, I mean, I don't know if that makes a difference, but let's do it. Alright, let's figure out why that might happen. Killing you. Maybe kill you entirely. Which IRC TMI connecting but not responding to messages. Oops. Sorry, checking if that's an important message. Doesn't seem like it. Alright, Unity is not the thing. I'm sure we're gonna box channel server. Take note that some channels are won't give you the messages for that channel. You can check what the servers there are. I just tried connecting to irc.twitch.tv. Turns out you need lowercase names when joining a channel. That's true, I did do that in my last successful test, so I think I gotta go back to that. See if that makes any difference. Okay. Each and every option listed below is optional. Debug, show debug messages in console. Okay. TMI.js without options will start as an anonymous connection to Twitch and you'll have to join the channels manually. Interesting. Okay, hang on. Let me pull back their source. Okay. Connection optional, identity optional, channels array. Okay. So I can add options. Debug true. Expected identifier. Right. I forgot a comma. Okay. Example below. Right. Yeah. Right. True, secure, true, test, image, username, client equals. Okay, yeah, they're doing. Possibly not. Oh, it is JS. Okay. Debug is true. Doesn't seem to care. Claim the user identify your application to the API. Interesting. I wonder if this is something I shouldn't show you guys. Register your application. Okay. Overview. Your live apps interact with stream or with chat users. Yeah, I kind of figured I would have to do something like this. Use to identify your application to the API. Okay. I was actually a bit surprised when I got to this page. It didn't say anything about creating or like registering it to create a key that you have to use or something like that. More information about see the IRC guide. To authenticate your chatbot in a production setting, we recommend you register your app and use that authorization flow to learn more. Yeah. Information. Okay, cool. All right. I sort of didn't want to have my first stream on the subject be like, hey, let's read a bunch of documentation, but I think that's what it is. Offers an IRC interface for chat functionality. Develop one or more bots connected with the channel. An IRC client. Okay, syntax notes. Yada. Indicate your password. Known and request known or verified. Yeah, right. See commands in a channel. I'm still channel name. That all seems fine. Channels. Not just one channel here. Right. Maybe there's a typo? Did I somehow mess something up? On message handler. Nope, still right. Yeah, seriously, like, especially when you add debug options. I guess I should try reading through these other things here. Connection, string, connect to the server. Or reconnect when disconnected. Secure. Timeout. We have channels to join when connected. Your application of the API, debug, maybe private. Yeah, I mean, I guess since I'm sort of showing you guys all this stuff anyway, I may as well abandon my hope of keeping information secure. Like, maybe it doesn't matter. So, yeah, you're right. Actually, now that you mention it, it could certainly have caused a problem. Okay, so anyways, I mean, I didn't see any other code that was using that, but let's try it. Yeah, okay. Yep, definitely different. Alright, so let's do this. Hey, look at that. Okay, so it was actually a lot simpler than expected. I wonder why it didn't like that. Like, it accepted it, and it seemed like it was able to respond and stuff. Or it made the connection, I guess. Huh. Yeah, okay. Cool, and these tokens don't seem like they can be abused too much anyway. Anyways, cool. So that just means that I got the basics of it right. I just have to try not to do too much. Okay, so now what's the thing that I want to actually do with this? Now I got to think about, okay, what's the thing that I actually would find interesting to do with it? I mean, it's actually pretty straightforward what it would be to just add more commands. I guess we can try sort of playing with the dice a little bit. That options were sold in on this connection. Okay, yeah, that must have been what's happening. Silly. All right. Cool. Thanks for the help. Those dice. Okay. So then I think we're going to probably end up doing a lot of string concatenation or splitting and that kind of stuff. Events. Chat. Okay. So I can sort of register different sorts of things. Yeah, good call. Good call. Receive action message on the channel. Cheer. Okay. Host. Whisper. Okay, so receive an action message. Notice, received a notice from the server, ping, rated. Okay. Some fairly straightforward stuff, I guess. Yeah. Good call. Okay, so I think at that point it's somewhat straightforward here. Message.trim. I'm assuming JavaScript string trim. If it removes white space, yeah, that's what I figured. Okay, so if instead of that, let's do it a different way. Okay, so if I say const words equals message.split, what is that? It's a string in order, list a substring, put these into an array. Division is done by searching for a pattern. Yep. Separator optional. It can be a simple string or it can be regex. Okay. So then I can do it based on a space. And then we can say things like if words at index 0 is equal to exclamation mark dice. Then I'd say var size equals words at value 1. But we want to make sure that's an integer, so JavaScript check if integer, or I guess JavaScript convert string to integer, not array. Parse int, parse string returns an integer. Okay, cool. So that would be, let's check it. Cool. Parse int words number 1. Omitted on the first number, leading in the first character cannot be converted, returns not a number. Okay, so if size is not a number, then console.log user entered invalid dice size, and then maybe return else. I guess we can like make this take in a size. Let's call it sides. And then how do they say it? Equals roll dice size. Client.say target you roll. I can just sort of copy this stuff actually. Maybe just get rid of all of that. Yeah, should be fine, I think. Alright, let's kill it. Run it again. Exclamation mark dice, 10-sided. Roll an 8. What are you doing, Crunchy? What are you messing with? Why are you trying to break stuff? String or 0. Nice. Okay, it didn't like 8. Why didn't it like 8? Command name is not defined. I'm possibly an idiot. Right, this would be... I guess words. We can say const command name equals words. Index 0. Kill it. Run it again. Oh, I see. I see. I feel like every language and every sort of idiom has its own different way of doing it. So I don't memorize any of them. Dice 8, dice 12. Yay! Okay. Fair enough. Where's everything to 0 if it's not a number? Oh, okay, sure. Yeah, okay. Makes sense, makes sense. Cool. Seems good enough. Cool. So I could do things like client.on or nice. Very good, very good. Trying to break it. I like it. Maybe we can start to make this already a lot better, like function parse message, or now let's make it run command. Nice. What's that gonna do? I guess it's gonna 0 self is true. 0. Did it do anything? Oh. Otter barks. Alright, that's cool. I've got my like custom thing here. Let me see if it actually works, because I just realized I totally didn't prepare for that properly. Hang on. Hi Romedy, how you doing, man? Romedy. Let's copy you to, let's put you in here. Paste. Let's see if this actually works. Nope. Nope. Dang. Alright, that's cool. Let's do this. Man. Okay, it seems like everything's broken, which is super cool. Let's see here. Okay. Oh, is it because I gotta do this? There we go. Obviously, I added new commands and then I didn't really remember how to do them properly. So there you go, the otter barks. Yeah. I will get better at that for sure. I just need to put more time into it. But thanks for trying it out. I appreciate it. Exactly. If it worked too quickly, it would be too much. Okay, I know what I need to do, and then I'll show you how it's actually supposed to look. Hang on. We're gonna copy some transforms over. You can see how much effort and work I've put into this stuff. Obviously. Transform, paste, transform. Okay. Is that gonna work now? I think that's gonna work. Let me try it. No, it's still broken. I wonder why. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. No, I've got something that I've started playing with. Testing stream stuff is obviously not my strong suit. Anyways, hey Romedy, how's it going? Cool. So we've got a bot, and we can now roll dice of various sizes. Obviously, small numbers or something like that. Hey, I rolled a maximum die roll on that particular thing. I think I can do variadic template or variadic arguments here, can I? Is this a JavaScript thing? JS variadic arguments. Parameters, arguments object, passable, some variable number of arguments. Hey, it's been forever. Thanks for the follow. Look, the kitty does stuff. The kitty cat does stuff. He's not completely useless. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. I feel like I'm extra messy today, but that's normal. Okay, so I can do arguments. Okay, so anything that I don't pass in just gets plopped into this thing called arguments. So I'll just sort of add arguments here to like remind myself that that's how it works. So I could do things like switch on command. It's just giving you a random number between 1 and whatever the number is you pass after it. So dice 20 would be a number between 1 and 20. That's the only thing that I have so far working. If I did case exclamation mark dice, then I could do roll dice with arguments 0, I believe. Or I could, I guess, do it like this. Yeah, how's that? You liking that? Num equals roll dice. Client.say target. You rolled a num. No, nice. I was gonna say, did you actually roll a 420 die and only get 1? That would be amazing. The second, any other arguments are being ignored, of course. Also that log. Okay, and then I don't know if I even need that log command. I feel like I'm getting enough feedback without it. Okay, let's try this way. I guess this would be parse int. Or I guess probably I should do maybe more of this stuff. Okay, so let's do another function here. I'm just trying to like organize this and think about how I want to do it in my brain. Roll dice command sides. So really it's going to be something like this. Goes here. And instead of words 1, it would just be sides. Sure. Yeah. So then this would just be roll dice command arguments number 0. That seems cool, right? So then here we're just... Oh, I see the problem here. Yeah, I'm not really gaining a lot by doing this, I think. This part I kind of like, though. So maybe I'll do this. Words 0. That at least will make it a little bit neater. We don't end up needing this thing, which is fine. And yeah, okay. Just want to make sure that I can still make this work. Try it again here. Dice 100. Broken. Target is not defined. Right, of course it's not defined. Roll a num. Okay, so we don't have client, we don't have target. Yeah, it does seem like we didn't gain a lot by doing this. But I can fix that. I can just add another argument here, target, and target here. And then what else? Console is global, I think. Man name is here. Client, I think, is also global. Yeah, I think we're good now. Okay, kill it. Yeah, you're right. That's a good idea. This is a good way to approach it for sure. I rolled not a number. I rolled a nan. You rolled a nan, everybody. Congrats. Oh, I broke it. It's like one wrong step, I think, and it just breaks. Nope, still broken. Command name is not defined. Oh, okay. Yeah, again, I don't really care enough to like fix that part. Rolling for Nan. Yeah, no, you're right. You're right. I rolled a Nan again. How did I roll a Nan this time? Target words 0. Or no, it should be words 1. Duh, I'm an idiot. That time it didn't break, at least. Dice 20. There we go. I'm the smart guy. I figured it out. I'm good. Okay. Cool. I don't know. What do you guys want to do with it? I don't know how much time I have left. You know, these streams are really more like waiting for the wife to come home streams. So, like, who knows how much time I have? What should we make it do? You guys have any ideas? Pet the kitty cat. Pet the kitty cat. Alright. Let's see if we can figure out how to pet the cat. I'm not gonna... I'm not that dumb. Okay. Let's figure out why we might not be able to, or why we can or can't pet the kitty cat. I mean, I don't see any reason why I can't just show you guys what this looks like. These are the commands we have. I added pet kitty. It's supposed to say purr and then play this animation. It's supposed to be available to everyone. But I noticed that song doesn't work either. Like, this doesn't work. So maybe there's something broken about it. And I think this hasn't necessarily, like, I don't know that it's been working. Or has been, like, updated in a while. It seems like it might be kind of getting out of date. Animation should play thanks. Trigger. Keyword. Scheduled. Everyone can do it. Should play for the animation for 10 seconds. Check keyword, I guess. Keyword says it will do this command when it is typed by itself. Do not include prefixes. So I'll just say anytime you use the word kitty now, it should purr and do something. Nothing. Absolutely nothing happening. Okay. Let me just sort of dig around a little bit further here. See if I might have missed some sort of global trigger. Right, show commands. Let me just click this button again. Maybe that's like the browser needs to get updated. No, I think this is the same. Let me just check real quick here. No, nothing. Okay. Alright, I know. Should be working. Options. I also told it to face the right. That didn't do anything. So clearly it's listening, right? Maybe I need to open this guy, refresh. Okay, I had to refresh it. Sorry, that was my bad. That should have been something that I tried a lot sooner. It doesn't seem to be actually playing any animation, though. I sort of, like, obvious things escape me sometimes. Okay, so he says purr, but he's also supposed to do a thanks animation. I don't know if he actually did that. What is the thanks animation? Oh, there is no thanks animation for this guy. It let me pick an animation that doesn't exist. Alright, that's cool, I guess. Let's do attack instead. Save. And then I'll refresh. Option saved. Nice. Alright, cool. Alright, I feel a lot better now that he exists. There's supposed to be... I don't know. I'll just disable the song one. I don't really know about that one anyway. Can I just change it? To dance, maybe? No, can't do it. Now that I understand Capamon Kitty Cat a little bit better, move him closer. Alright, there we go. Cool. Alright, so shoot, what are some other things I wanted to do? So one of the things that I definitely am gonna sort of try to hook up here is like grabbing a random string from a set of possible options. Hey, what's up, Kiwi? Yeah, right? Sometimes I do. I mean, this has been kind of fun, actually. I should do some shout-outs since you guys are hanging out and sort of chilling with me. We got Mr. Crunchy. We got Kitty Cat, who I just refreshed. We got Romedy here. We got Kiwi. I apologize. I should update my shout out. Maybe you're not human, you know. That's fine. That's fine. All good people. Hyper's also there. Don't forget Hyper. Trying to support small streamers, so go check each other out. I appreciate all of you guys coming and hanging out. Yeah, sometimes I do chill with code. Yeah, to be honest. I'm not really super clean about it when I'm just trying to relax with it, but you know. Yeah, so I want to be able to pull random inputs from like a set of strings or something like that. So I guess what I'll probably want to do then is to write a separate file for that stuff. So let's say, hi, I don't need to put the quotes, I'm pretty sure. Hi, hello, how are you? Chilling with code, exactly. See, now Kitty Cat's gonna like greet everybody because I finally figured out how to make it work, so congrats. Cool, let's save you somewhere. Let's call you, I don't know, data. Here, I'm gonna reorganize things a little bit actually, before I forget. Right? Like if you're doing something that's fun to work on. Right? Yeah, I think so. I think so. Let's call this BarkBot. This is not the right place for it though. Okay, I'm gonna try something here. Sorry guys. I realize I'm a little scattered. But then again, that's like every day. That's every day. You just get little glimpses of it when I come on stream, that's all. Let's do this. Data. All this. Greetings. Games made coding more palatable. Like you mean the sort of having the context of doing it for games, basically. A 420 command. Sure. What would that be? I'll hear your suggestions. I don't really have much going on there. Yeah. Okay, I hear you. I'm gonna try something here. I'm gonna copy everything that I've done here. I'm gonna kill this, and I'm gonna go and reopen the other version of it. Nice. Okay, so we got this working. I just make sure. I'm gonna see if this still works. So we're gonna do node, and it's e project slash barkbot slash bot.js. See, it still doesn't know what TMI is, so now I gotta figure out how I have to reinstall or uninstall TMI and reinstall it or something. I think I'll probably just stop there. I actually just heard the wife come home. So you guys are super awesome. Thanks for coming by, everybody. I really, really appreciate it. Let's switch to big cam for a second here. Thanks for hanging out with me, joining me for my super short midweek streams. Thanks again. It's been forever. Aero Tactics, DCD Rast also followed me in the last day or two. Thanks for the barks. Thanks for hanging out for sure. And I will see you guys next time. I'll probably do this again, same time-ish tomorrow. So be sure to hang out. Anyone got any raid suggestions? You want to find somebody here? Let me just see who's online right now. Before you guys all disappear, need a nail stream? I'll tell her. I'm trying to tell her she needs to make her own channel. For sure. It's on the radar. Ooh, I know who we can talk to. Okay, I know who we're raiding. We're gonna raid... Oh my god, I can't spell. Did I get that right? I hope I got that right. Yes, that's the right guy. Alright. Yeah, go raid Rez if you if you know that. Or have access to that. What is with my... Oh, that's right. I keep sort of forgetting that I have like this little thing that I gotta keep up. Anyways, Pope Corky is a friend of mine I've met here on Twitch. He's very, very new. He's trying to get follows, trying to get affiliate, so please drop him a follow. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.